friends, I hope you all are good. Let's learn Scratch with DivK Learner. So let's get started. In today's video, I will going to give you a quick tool about the graphical user interface of Scratch. So let's get started. This is the code tab. This is block menu. This is the code area where you drag and drop your code blocks. This is the stage area where your sprites will going to perform an action. Full screen tab, paint editor tab. This is the sound editor tab. This is the menu bar. This is your stage pane. This is sprite pane. This is sprite list. This is the script area where you have dragged and dropped the code blocks, and the collection of code blocks is called script. These all are our sprites. You can add more also. This is a block palette. This is stop button. This is go button. Zoom control, zoom button. From here you can add more sprites. This is the extension library, from where you can add more libraries to your project. Thank you everyone. I hope you liked our video. So please like, subscribe and share. Bye.